Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Thought I'd show you how to draw something like this. Pretty easy. A couple things you just need to think about when you use the common shapes and you get an arrow. I would strongly suggest you take it now and get rid of that red dot, which is the red dot is so you can make it any size you want. And strongly suggest you go and convert it to a curve. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to put it like right there. And then I'm going to take doesn't have to be round, it'd almost be better to have some sort of like an oval. Then you're going to want to put one of them right in the middle. Get the four-sided, having a little trouble here myself. Get the four-sided cross and put it right there on top. Hit your plus key on the keyboard and move it down to that part. Now I should have really done the bottom first. So we're going to make that match that rectangle. So now we're really more round than we should be, but that's fine. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and grab the two-sided arrow or the four-sided arrow and then start moving and hold down the control button and then it'll be perfect. It won't get out of alignment. And then take your 2-point line, go from quadrant to quadrant, and then just kind of imagine what it looks like. You shouldn't be able to see some lines. You shouldn't be able to see these lines. So that gives you the curvature, and then get rid of that. And there's your whole thing. We're going to get the Smart Fill tool. We'll go ahead and use that same color. Go ahead and it's kind of you know what? Let's wait on that first one, on that next one. Let's take the Interactive Fill tool and swipe across, but go ahead and put that burnt orange there. And now we're going to put a white, like right there. But see, and now we need to bring in another orange to make that white less. And maybe if you bring this in, it'll bring in the white. So what we can do is take another orange and put it closer. And it looks like kind of the shiny part of the bend. It may be a little bit too much white. So let's bring that in a little bit so we won't have quite so much. That looks pretty cool. Now here, just decide what you want to do. And you can see that's the old rectangle. But if you use the Smart Fill tool, and let's just use a gray. And then take the Smart Fill tool or the Interactive Fill tool and go like this and make it a little darker on that end to make like it's underneath. Now that's way too much, so you can expand that out and then move your slide bar a little bit. And you could play with that forever and ever and you know, just play with it. That doesn't look half bad, but you can't really see that definition. So I'm going to stay away from, trying to match the same color so you can actually see the bend in that. Let's look what it looks like with the black box effect around it. Make it black, object, order, back a page. That looks pretty good. One more thing, I'm going to take the whole thing and take away the outline because I can see the red box of the red hairline around it. That looks pretty good. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.